Breaking news is coming from BT Group mass opportunity trainee Snap mass hiring, FTN mass hiring, Madurai 25-26 batches eligible, Greedy Game mass opportunity internship, software developer engineering, Amazon, and there is a BCA, BSc, BBA, BCom, BMS, BB Tech, MEM Tech, all is eligible. मीन्स सबके लिए अलग अलग अपॉर्चुनिटीज होने वाली है, हर बैचेस हर डिग्रीज के लिए डिफरेंट अपॉर्चुनिटीज इज देयर इन दिस वीडियो. सो प्लीज वॉच वीडियो टिल एंड, डोंट स्किप अ सिंगल सेकेंड. ठीक है, डोंट स्किप दिस वीडियो, वॉच वीडियो टिल एंड बिकॉज यू हैव टू अंडरस्टैंड इन विच अपॉर्चुनिटी BEB Tech, in which opportunity BCom, in which opportunity BSc MSc is eligible, in which opportunity BCMC is eligible, because there is 5 mega off-campus drive I am going to share with you. So please watch video till end without wasting any time. Deep dive into BT Group, which is great mass opportunity trainee associate opening is going on. Kolkata location is there. This is bank office chat support trainee role. In this video I am going to tell you about TOEIC non-tech both opportunities. See, okay, so watch video till end. Associate build to cash trainee associate, this is absolutely for 23, 24, 25 batch pass out apprenticeship level opportunity, and this is absolutely for fresher, strictly for fresher, no experienced candidate is required. ठीक है, any work experience if you have even a few days will not be considered. It means only fresher is eligible. Competition is less. English communication is mandatory. PAN card is mandatory. BBA, BCom, BCA, BMS, MCom, MBA, MCA student only is eligible. Now you have to understand that this is great opportunity if you are related for these branches or degrees. You know what bank office chat support trainee associate is. This is absolutely for fresher. Just fill this form as soon as possible. If you see here that these are the degrees and only 23, 24, 25 is eligible, not pursuing candidates. ठीक है, if you select this pursuing, you are not eligible. No, I am a fresher, click on yes, click on yes. Immediate joining, click on I am comfortable, click on yes. No, click on no. In this, have you applied early? And if you do, you have a PAN card, click on yes and submit it as soon as possible. This is mass mega drive going on. Very soon you will receive the assessment mail or direct interview mail. Now Snap mass hiring is just announced with a huge internship stipend which is up to 1,25,000 per month. Yes, you heard it right. This is mass hiring internship opportunity and this is pure IT role because remote options available, but the high stipend 1,25,000 per month, 3 months of internship. After that they will provide you like full-time opportunity and please complete the form below to given. और ये ठीक है, हम तो फॉर्म फिल कर ही लेंगे. But you have to understand what type of opportunity is this. See, we are launching a mass hiring initiative to bring on board 50 investor वगैरह इन लोग ने लिख के रखा. This opportunity to work with a fast scale startup और hands on experience वो देखने मिलेगा ही. ठीक है, now you have to understand this is pure IT company जो भी है स्टार्टअप है ये. सो इफ यू सी हियर दैट मल्टीपल डोमेन, सॉफ्टवेयर, बैकएंड, फ्रंट एंड, AI, ML, डेटा साइंस, माइक्रो साइबर सिक्योरिटी, मार्केटिंग कंसल्टिंग रोल इज देयर. So in marketing consulting the package is less, but in software engineering or AI, ML, data science, if you see here that engineering degrees, here you will get to see the 1,25,000. So update your resume as per your interest and select primary domain of interest. Like if I know front end, back end both, then I am going with software development. If you know particularly only front end or back end, then select any one of them. So please apply it as soon as possible. This is mass opportunity, but please give your LinkedIn profile also. If you want to give, this is not mandatory, but please attach your updated resume and update your resume, put each and every domain which is related to your interest, then apply it as soon as possible. Second opportunity means third opportunity is not second. FTN is going to hire a mass opportunity. The FTN opportunity for following grads BE, BTech, ME, MTech is eligible, but this time chemistry, biochemistry, biotechnology, microbiology, food science, home science, nutrition science. अब तुम समझ सकते हो मैंने हर एक के लिए इतनी सारी रिसर्च करके हर एक डिग्री, हर एक ब्रांचेस, हर एक बैचेस के लिए अपॉर्चुनिटीज लेके आऊँ, तो इसके लिए लाइक करना बहुत जरूरी है, चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना बहुत जरूरी है. नाउ इफ यू सी हियर दैट दिस इज एनालिस्ट इंटर्न रोल, मदुराई लोकेशन इज देयर, 25-26 पास आउट ओनली इज एलिजिबल. BSc, MSc, MBA, BSc following degree. You heard it right. Yeah, this is for absolutely for BSc, MSc, MBA, BSc, and these are the branches you can read from here. Madurai location is the analyst role is there. Now you don't have to think about too much. पूरा criteria ही लिख के रख दिया 25-26. Now just go and fill it as soon as possible. if you see here that computer science IT or finance is also eligible. Why? Because BSc, if you did BSc from computer science you are eligible, ठीक है, ये है मेरे कहने का मतलब, because B BTech is not eligible, ठीक है, and 25-26 only is eligible, applied as soon as possible, willing to work in Madurai, click on yes, otherwise if you click on no they will reject your application. So applied as soon as possible. This is mega walk-in, this is mega mass hiring going on, ठीक है, ये सारी ही mass hirings होने वाली है. Now moving on, fourth one, Greedy Game internship backend developer is there, Bangalore location is there. Now if you see here, only 3 months of an internship is there, but after that they will provide you huge package, means 6-7 LP easily in full time. 0 to 1 year of experience is needed. Now understand BE BTech computer science IT, obviously because this is pure IT role. That's why if you see here that data structure, basic understanding, algorithm and object oriented, only fundamental understanding, not intermediate, ठीक है. और Golang is if you have Golang then this will give you benefit. Database is mandatory, SQL no SQL both is eligible, new technology और ये बस skill add कर देना. Now only 25-26 batches eligible. If you see here that 25-26 batches eligible, ठीक है. If you see here now these are the bonus point, like देखो ये चीज़ है कि क्लाउड तो कर ही देना, ठीक है, बिकॉज यू आर BE BTech कंप्यूटर साइंस सॉफ्टवेयर इंजीनियरिंग स्टूडेंट, ठीक है. क्लाउड कंप्यूटिंग माइक्रो सर्विसेज इज मैंडेटरी, एंड इफ यू हैव लीड कोड और you did 100 or 50 question DSA question, then please put your lead code link, live link on your resume. That's it. बाकी यहाँ पे कंटेनराइजेशन मिल जाएगा, PostgreSQL, MongoDB मिल जाएगा, RESTful API is extra thing you have to add in resume, and that's it. Just apply it as soon as possible. This is mega mass drive going on. Just click on easy apply. Before clicking easy apply, update your resume as per responsibilities and required skills. Now last opportunity, which may be direct test opportunity because candidate is getting the assessment mail after applying. This is temp, maybe temporary है, I don't know, but are enrolled in a bachelor degree, means all pursuing candidates is eligible. एंड ये पूरा समझ सकते हो तुम, BE BTech कंप्यूटर साइंस IT सॉफ्टवेयर इंजीनियरिंग है, और 26, 27, 28 बैचेस एलिजिबल, एंड इवन प्रोग्रामिंग विथ स्ट्रॉन्ग डेटा स्ट्रक्चर एल्गोरिथम इज रिक्वायर्ड, फुल HDLC डेवलपमेंट एंड कोडिंग डिजाइनिंग इज एलिजिबल. प्रीफर्ड है, नॉट प्रीफर्ड, रिक्वायर्ड है, मैंडेटरी है, ठीक है. सो क्लिक ऑन अप्लाई नाउ एंड मे बी यू विल ऑल्सो रिसीव डायरेक्ट टेस्ट अपॉर्चुनिटी मेल ऑन योर मेल. सो who is eligible? All pursuing candidates is eligible. In this opportunity, who is eligible? 25-26 pure IT. In this opportunity 25-26 all BSc, MSc, MBA, BSc, all agriculture, मतलब other branches except CSIT, उसको छोड़ के बाकी सारी इसमें एलिजिबल है. कितनी सारी. एंड इन दिस अपॉर्चुनिटी स्नैप मास हायरिंग प्योर IT रोल 1 लाख पर मंथ, ठीक है. इन दिस ऑल्सो BE BTech कंप्यूटर साइंस IT सॉफ्टवेयर इंजीनियरिंग इज एलिजिबल. नाउ इन दिस BE BTech trainee you can see 23, 24, 25 BCom, BBA, BMS, BCom, MCA is eligible. So for this, please hit the bell icon button, like this video, to subscribe my channel, share my video also, and please do comment if you are happy with these hirings, because यार टाइम बहुत कंज्यूम होता है हायरिंग्स को ढूंढने का. एक कीवर्ड सर्च करनी पड़ती है, कभी लिंक्डइन, कभी कहीं, इतने सारे प्लेटफॉर्म में जाके बहुत सारे कीवर्ड्स लिखने पड़ते हैं और ईच एंड एवरी हायरिंग्स, ठीक है. सो प्लीज लाइक दिस वीडियो, एंड और भी वीडियोस चाहिए तो कुछ नहीं करना है, सिर्फ बैच, डिग्री, ब्रांच का नाम लिख देना है एंड रोल क्या चाहिए बस वो बता देना है, वो रिसर्च करके मैं तुम्हारे लिए अपलोड कर दूंगा. सो लाइक दिस वीडियो, डू सब्सक्राइब चैनल, प्लीज वॉच प्रीवियस वीडियो विच आई ऑलरेडी अपलोडेड today 7:30 PM. So apply it as soon as possible. Like these videos. Thanks for watching.